The Sulmona-Carpinone rail, formerly known as the Transiberiana d'Abruzzo, today has been renamed Ferrovia dei Parchi, or Railway of the Parks. Pettorano sul Gizio is one of the towns this train cruises through that is surrounded by untouched natural features. The water of its river, Gizio, loudly makes itself heard. Some of these towns, like Roccaraso, have become skiing locations that get populated a few months a year for the season. Roccaraso was destroyed by the bombardments of the war and later rebuilt in the typical fashion of the 1960s and 70s with tall concrete buildings which create such dissonance with their surroundings. I believe that these towns we find along the Ferrovia dei Parchi can teach us lessons on how to be stewards of the land, how to take care of what we are surrounded by. They can teach us how to unlearn the bad habits of our city life that are so ingrained and impressed in our every action.